Well, with more people spending time outside this summer, the sun could do a number on our skin.
Yeah, and to help break it all down, we're joined by Dr. Flora Stay. Thanks for joining us, Doctor. We say it every year, the importance of sunscreen, but still a lot of people don't use it. Why do you think that is?
They just get lazy. I think there's really no other reason. They just, and the thing is you have to reapply it and every 2 hours. And a lot of people don't want to be bothered. So they just get in the sun and they think they'll be fine. And then all of a sudden they get a burn. Sunburn, and that is not fun. And so I have some to-dos to do when you do get a burn and some don'ts. It's very important.
Yeah, can you walk us through those, Doctor?
Sure. So if you just have a sunburn without any blisters, if you get blisters, make sure you see a doctor because you may have gotten an infection from the burn. But something that's very common, these are things that you can get very easily. Aloe vera is great for burns. If you have pain, you can take like Advil or Tylenol or any of those over-the-counter pain medications. Make sure you stay hydrated. And what you can do is take a bath with a cup of powdered oatmeal. Just use it in your processor, the oats, and add a couple of tablespoons of baking soda. And if you don't have a bathtub, just use a washcloth and just like a compress, use it over the areas, hold it over the areas that are burned. Make sure you moisturize. And what I recommend is moisturizing with a product that has shea butter, like this particular product does. Shea butter is very soothing. So that's what you want to do. Make sure you use lip balm. Lip balm with, again, shea butter is very useful. And by the way, I have the exact tips plus more on my website, blogs, which is drstay.com.
And Doctor, what about some of the clothing? I mean, people wear the shirts now when they go to the beach, the wet shirts, and does that help?
No, it doesn't have. Well, you want to wear loose clothing. Don't wear anything that's too tight. When you're swimming, yes, there are sun-protected clothing that you can wear. Yes, especially for children. I think it's a great idea, or adults. So yes, but afterwards, when you do get a burn, make sure you wear very loose clothing. Don't wear anything that's tight. And so these are some of the basics, but there are some important don'ts that you want to also know about. Most people, when they get a burn, right away they go for petroleum jelly. And this is not a good thing because it does trap heat in the body and it clogs pores. And when your pores are clogged, then again, you're apt to get more of an infection, blisters, and that type of thing. So, and also stay away from chlorinated water because that may irritate the burn even more. So once you do get a burn, loose clothing, use products that are meant for sensitive skin because they don't have highly irritating ingredients in them.
All right.
And make sure you use products that are made in the USA. That's very important.
Oh, yeah, that's good advice, too, because you don't know where some of this stuff's coming from. Doctor, great advice. Thanks for joining us, and have a happy holiday.
My pleasure. You too. Happy 4th of July.
Thank you.
Thanks. We'll be right back.